everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. Happy Thursday to everybody. Today is a this and that video. I'm going to start off with some happy mail that I received from Bernadette Ferrer. Bernadette has become a good friend of mine. We chat on Instagram all the time, and she said she got me a few dies, and she wanted to send me a package. So I did get this a few days ago. I just hadn't had a chance to do this video. Okay, so first of all, she made me some embellishments. Look at these pretties, you guys. Oh, aren't these gorgeous? They remind me of flowers that Anna had made, and I believe this is the same die, which is the honeybee. I think it's honeybee die set. And so pretty. So thank you so much, Bernadette, for putting this together for me. I so much appreciate that. And then I told her I'm crazy about Halloween right now. That's kind of where I'm at in terms of crafting. And so, you know, she was asking me, what kind do you want? And I said, oh, Halloween, something Halloween. So look at this, you guys. I'm so excited because I want to put this in my junk journal. And I did decorate my junk journal yesterday, last night. So I do have a couple more pages for you guys, 2 or 3 pages, I can't remember. But yay, I can stick this in there. So I'm going to go ahead, definitely use that. She gave me this nose pore strip. You're so funny. But I do like the ad, actually. That's kind of cool. Dirty works. What are you trying to say, girly? That I have dirty pores? Anyway, that's hilarious. She made me these too. So she loves coffee. That's her thing. So look, you guys, she made me these cute little to-go coffee cups. And it's Halloween themed, of course. So yay! And this is nice and flat, so I can definitely put that in my junk journal. So thank you so much, B. I so appreciate it. She made me a couple of gnomes. Oh yes, she was showing me too that she got, I think, a new die with gnomes. And so look, she created some for me. How cute are they? And then as far as the dies, she got me this Rosie's mini die. So it's a little van. How cute. And I told her, you don't have to send me any, because I got the big die van from KS Craft. But look, she got me the mini little baby one. as Tony would say, the baby one. All right, and then she also got me this tic-tac-toe, and I don't have anything like that. So thank you so much. I love that heart right there. That is so cute. And then she gave me a doodle pop. Yay! So she is a lover of Doodlebug also. So that's why we get along so well. Okay, so then she gave me a card. Oops, I'm sorry. So a little card that says, eat, sleep, craft, repeat. And this is the Cute and Crafty by Doodlebug, the paper collection. So she made me a cute card. How sweet. Oh, and then I'll read this in a minute. And then look, oh my gosh, yes, I am born to craft. You said it, girl. That is me. And then last, she had made some little tickets for me. So how cute is that? So I can definitely put this in my the little booklet that I actually started, you know, with the Cute and Crafty. So look how cute these strips are. So yay! Thank you so much, Bernadette. This is very sweet of you. You did not have to send me anything. Goodness gracious. Okay, so that's my happy mail. And Bernadette doesn't do videos, you guys, so otherwise I would be putting her link. And I don't know if she posts on Instagram. I don't think so. but she is active on Instagram. Okay, so the next thing is I thought I'd go ahead and just share my pages. And I hope you guys are not getting bored with my journal. I love it. I'm kind of addicted to it right now, so it's consuming me right now, just trying to decorate it. Let me zoom out a little bit. There's my mouse. Okay, so and I finally figured out who gave me this dangle. Oh, for the longest time, I couldn't remember who it was. It was inside a pocket letter, and it was from my friend Liz Russell. Oh my gosh. Girl, I don't know if you're listening or if you even watch YouTube anymore, but Liz Russell had sent me some happy mail a while ago, and it was Halloween themed, and she gave me all kinds of goodies, and this was inside one of the pockets in the back of Pocket Letter. So thank you so much for that, Liz. And along with that, I had also found a couple of, let me show you guys. And talk about blast from the past, you guys. I'm going through my stuff right now, and I found a couple of these goodie bags that she had created for me. So look how cute this is. And this is the Sizzix die. I have this die. It's a cupcake die. But look how cute she put that all together. This was a few years ago, you guys. We've done, Liz Russell and I did a couple of swaps, I think. But I don't think she's crafting right now, but she used to love to, well, I don't know if she's still crafting and not doing videos, but she loves Halloween, and she has made some amazing projects. So I'll leave her link actually in the description box, because you know, she might still have her YouTube channel. I just haven't seen her create any new crafty shares. So anyway, okay, so where was I? All right, so here's the other bag that she made me, and I thought it went well with my album, or my my junk journal. And it's, you know, again, a goodie bag, and I just adhered it down. And just to tie in everything, yesterday I was just tearing up strips, and I'm going to show you the rest in this book, but tearing up some strips, inking them, and then just stitching a little bit. So I thought I'd add that up there, just to kind of tie it in with the whole book. So that was fun. And then here's here's one that I created. So as you guys remember, this was just a plain background. Like, let me see if I can find just a regular like this. It looked like this. And again, I did a few strips, so it's a total of 1, 2, 3 strips. I stitched, and the reason I stitched was because, you know, by putting the strips here, I was covering up all the stitching that I did over here, which, you know, I worked hard on. So I went ahead and just did some zigzag stitching. And then I just added some ephemeras. These are the ephemeras from the digital kit, Haunted Night. And I know one of you guys had asked me too on my comments, what paper is this? And, you know, when I show the journal, I just kind of assume that you guys have seen my previous video, but that's not always the case. This is from Digital Download by Louisa, who is my Crafty Boutique. So I'll make sure I leave the link in the description box if you guys are interested in purchasing this, and you can print and cut this. So that's so nice. All right, so where was I? So here, yeah, I just kind of layered them vertically, and then I also added this piece of lace, or not lace, but the tool that I've been crazy about. I'm just using it like crazy. I love this spiderweb tool. And then just tucked in some ephemeras. What's nice about doing the strips is that you can kind of just tuck in things, you know, between the strips. And I kind of just took a cue from the way Louisa had designed her papers right here. You see how she just has some trim and spider web, and she just kind of, it looks like they're like just kind of tucked in. That's kind of what I was going for, what I was mimicking. And so that's what I did. And then I made a few of these tattered rosettes. I haven't seen too many people do this tattered rosette, but I thought since I was cutting strips, some of the strips I had sized down to about 1¼ inch in width. And then I made a rosette out of it. So, so this is the tattered section here, of course. And then I just added a little ephemera. So I thought that was super cute. And again, this is a pocket, if I didn't say so already. So there's another one there. And then I think you kind of already got a peek of this one here. This one here with, I didn't put anything here on this left side. But again, I did the same thing. So I tattered another strip of paper, this time in purple, and then this I don't know if you can see that, this floral print right here, that's from Michael's. Again, that vintage looking paper along with this, it's in the same paper, not a paper pad, but a stack of paper that you can get from Michael's. I don't know if they still have these, but that's years ago I got that, so it came in handy. And yeah, so, and just a tip, you guys, if you guys do have digital papers, what I've been doing, instead of just getting a white, you know, a blank 8.5 by 11 paper to print out, to make some of it double-sided, what you can do is just print on the white part, on the reverse side of your paper. So like, let's say, for instance, this one right here, the reverse side of this is just plain white. And I just printed on the back of it. And automatically I have a double-sided paper. So let me just show you, because I did do another right here. So see this? I printed this, which is this paper right here, right? And this is the reverse side. So that's another way to use up your stash. Like if you have a bunch of papers that, you know, you might have bought in the past, but then you're not using right now, flip it over the other way, you know, and it's just a blank white piece of paper, and just, you know, print your whatever on there, die cuts or whatever. So just some ideas, you guys. I'm just kind of throwing it out there because this is what I kind of came up with when I was, you know, printing some of my, some of the designs from Louisa. Okay, so, and then I just did the same thing. I tucked in different ephemeras, and then this bow. I'm trying to keep it relatively flat because it is, look, it is like getting super chunky, which I knew was going to get chunky, but I didn't mind actually. So yeah, there's that. And wow, was that the last thing? Let me see if I might have, that might have been the last one that I decorated, because, oh, and then I went through my, my trims. So you guys, I have lots of other trims. So there's this white one right here. Isn't this pretty? Oh my gosh. I don't think I'm going to do anything because I love it just the way it looks. Just like that. We'll see if I, you know, put anything there, but I kind of like it just like that. I think I did the same thing over here. Oh, let me show you. This one. Look how pretty that looks. It just pops. And without fully covering the paper, it just, you know, adds texture to it. And you don't have to do anything else. I think I'm just leaving it like that. I like it. So as you can see, I still have plenty of blank pages that I haven't decorated yet, because this is a total of 18. So 18 pages altogether. So anyway, just sharing that with you guys. And then I'm just going to share a couple of rosettes. Actually, I thought we would do a little craft with me. And then you can add some jemmies maybe. But look, isn't that cute? All right, guys, that is my this and that video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed what I created. Thanks so much for watching, and leave me a comment. Subscribe if you haven't. I would appreciate it. Thanks so much for your support, you guys. I really enjoy doing these videos for you, and I really appreciate you stopping by today. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.